50 years as an independent nation. Half a century of memorable picture-perfect moments, immortalizing the island's story.
The return of the body of Garvey, Martin Luther King's visit, Bustamante leading people down Duke Street, Michael Manley at his father's grave.
The Jamaica Information Service has captured these moments in one book.
This book is a collector's item, definitely, and every Jamaican is going to want to have one. You cannot just read this book like this. You have to palaver over each page and, you know, try to wonder what it would have been if I was there.
The book, Our Golden Jubilee, Snapshots of Post-Independent Jamaica 1962 to 2012, is a year-by-year compilation of important moments in the country's life. Just one click, and they appear almost timeless.
The moment I open this book, it brings to mind the very moment that I was standing by this flag post in the National Stadium when the Union Jack came down and the Jamaican flag went up.
Fall in love with events you may have missed or relive your favorites. Purchase the perfect keepsake for yourself or gift it to friends.
It's important to have this kind of record in a society which shows away things from our past. And so this book is for me a delight because it recreates some important moments from the past.
This is a priceless memento of our 50 years as a nation, and it doesn't really matter what the cost is. I think each individual should try to at least purchase one.
Call the JIS at 926-3590 if you're interested in making your orders. You'll be able to pick it up just in time to celebrate Jamaica's 50th anniversary. Apart from 1962, what year would you consider the most memorable for the country, and why? Email your responses to jamaicamagazine@jis.gov.jm, and try not to forget the websites www.jamaica50.com or www.jis.gov.jm for all your Jamaica 50 information.